Hi everyone, we are out here at the Family Care Center today and we're talking to Dr. Weber this morning. So first off, thank you so much for talking with me today.
Thank you for coming. Appreciate it.
Of course. So first off, I want to get to know Family Care Center a little bit better. So tell us a little bit about you guys and what you do.
Sure. So the Family Care Center, we are a comprehensive outpatient behavioral health service that really supports all of Colorado Springs. We began as a primarily TRICARE, DOD, Department of Defense beneficiaries and veterans, but we've kind of grown from there and trying to take our expertise to the whole community now.
Absolutely. And something that we're going to focus on today is your transcranial magnetic stimulation, right?
Sure, yeah.
So what is that?
Well, I mean, it is remarkable technology, but it also complements. I mean, I still believe, and that's why we have individual therapists, group therapists, we have prescription providers, psychiatrists and nurse practitioners that kind of work for us. But the TMS, the transcranial magnetic stimulation, is really novel. So what it is in simple terms, we take a magnetic pulse, okay, and then we create a little bit of an electric charge in a very pinpointed place in your brain. The place that has been shown over and over that is not working for people with major depressive disorder and obsessive compulsive disorder. Those are the two FDA regulations for it, or indications, but it's been expanding to many, many different places. And although those might be not FDA approved yet, a lot of great evidence for PTSD, chronic pain, general anxiety, social phobia, all those things.
That's amazing. So it's kind of all, everything that's going on in your head, it's targeting that and helping it.
Sure. Like, as they said, everything is in your head, it actually is. And so that's the beginning and the nexus. And so if we can take something that's not as many side effects as a medication, all right, or as many side effects as electroconvulsive therapy, you've heard of shock therapy, pretty bad rap, but it does work, but it's got a lot of bad side effects. This is a very pinpointed way to hit very specific parts of the brain. So the biggest side effect is usually a little bit of a headache. First couple sessions, goes away, and there's a very exceedingly low chance for a seizure.
Okay, and so it's safe.
Very safe. I practiced on my wife, the other Dr. Weber.
So moving on now, what do you guys do to help, our military in the town?
Sure. Well, both my wife are vets. About half of my staff are veterans, and then the other probably 30–35%. In other words, the majority of us have been working with the military, married to the military, or kind of dedicated ourselves to the military. Okay. When we were active duty, and I retired in 2016 from the Army, and after that, we knew that there was just such a big need for Colorado Springs. Just didn't have a place to send our family members. And so that was our first mission, as our family members for Fort Carson and Peterson and USAFA. But we've kind of expanded and definitely saw the need that the veterans, are kind of overwhelmed right now, the VA. And so we've been taking a lot of the Veterans Choice, which now switched to something called the Mission Act. So the Mission Act is a way that when the VA has reached capacity, they can send them to private people that can jump through the hoops that the VA has put on, and we can jump.
That's amazing. You guys are helping them out so much, and I bet that's so appreciated. So as we're getting close to wrapping up this interview, you guys are actually going to be at the Foxy Moms Expo this weekend.
That's right.
You excited?
Yes, I'm excited. It's going to be on 8 September, and so we're really looking forward to supporting the community, supporting Foxy Moms, and please check out our bench that's going to be there.
Perfect.
It'll be great.
And then people can find out more information about you guys online at fcsprings.com.
Correct.
And can they give you guys a call too?
Completely, yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Well, thank you so much for having me out here today. It was great to talk to you.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
And as Mia was saying, you can come check out and meet the team from Family Care Center this Sunday at our Foxy Moms Expo at the Antlers Hotel from 10 to 4 o'clock, free admission. See you there. And that segment, by the way, was sponsored by Family Care Center.